Hello Amazon shoppers. Today we are reviewing the Aspen electric space heater from eFlame USA. As you can see, it is on right now, and I just cannot begin to tell you how much we are enjoying this heater. We have it in a room that is attached to our kitchen. The entire area is about 300 to 325 square feet. My wife and I both noticed an appreciable difference in about 10 minutes after we turned it on. We live in an older, small home that is drafty, not well insulated, and the central unit in this home just does not work well at all. This space heater has made a tremendous difference. We are a lot more comfortable with it. It's just amazing. As you can see, the simulated flame effects are just lovely. Very, very impressive with that. It also makes a great night light. You can leave the flames going and turn all the heat off, and it works perfect. I also want to mention that the rear of the unit emits no heat at all. As you can see, it's in front of a window with curtains hanging down. I have ran my hand behind that. There is absolutely no heat coming from the rear of the unit. It will be very safe to put next to a window, or around things that, as long as they're in the rear, they're not going to be a hazard. It does not have a tilt feature that turns it off. As long as we've just been thoroughly pleased with it. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoy your day.